For a bit now, I've used Sarah Drasner's Night Owl themes in my VS Code editor, and I've always really, really liked them, both the light and the dark versions. But recently I had the thought of like, what if I could tweak just a couple of settings just to either change the background or maybe change the font color just a smidge. I don't want to go crazy overboard and, define every little thing ever, because I really like the defaults of this theme. So what I learned this week is that it's actually pretty simple to do. First off, we open up our preferences on open user settings in the JSON format. Let's hide my sidebar. Actually, let's open up files so you can see what the file explorer side looks like. So to get started, add a workbench.color customizations object. And then inside of which you can specify the theme that you want to target with your changes. So let's target Night Owl Light and open that up. And let's start with making the editor background a nice light purple. So that's Whoa, that's red. Let's make it this color instead. And now it's subtle, but there is a slight purple tint to the background, which I quite like. And you can continue on, as I did, and edit the editor group border, the gutter background, the sticky shadow border that would be right here, the panel background, the panel border, the terminal background, all to get this. And at the end of the day, I didn't change all that much. It kind of looks like a lot now that I'm looking at it, but compared to all of the settings that are in or that are available to you within like the colors and then the editor and then syntax highlighting, I didn't really want to go to that extreme. I just wanted to change some backgrounds and some borders just to make it match what I wanted. And I really like the result. And yeah, I also did the dark mode because I actually kind of swap between light mode and dark mode quite a bit. So if we toggle my system status, this is what dark mode looks like. And it's so easy. I didn't think it was going to be this easy. You just type in what you want to change, the color you want to change it to, and go from there. The only slight thing that is kind of a gotcha is for shadows. You still have to define a hex or an RGBA. So learning what these last two characters were for hex numbers was fun. But those are to display transparency. But all in all, not terribly difficult to do. And I really like the result. So that's it.